'Twas the 6th day till Christmas, when Wyatt woke up, and because of the strong pain in his throat, he thought it might be strep. So he went to the bathroom to get him some water, and throughout the day he felt himself get hotter. He went to school, though, because he didn't feel nauseous, but when he got off the bus, he started to feel nauseous. He didn't call his parents because he wasn't sure if he was sick, and he went throughout the day feeling crummy as frick. He returned home to tell his mom what was the matter, and then he got meds and a booted to clatter. The next day he went to the doctor, where they shoved cotton swabs down his throat, and there's a part where I had to take off my coat. After doing some tests, they didn't find strep throat or a fever, but later my teeth were chattering like a beaver. I was told it was the first time I've been sick like this in 6 years. Something about shears. It sucks. You know, I was this really put a bump in my plans, because there's videos I planned to do, but being sick and not feeling like moving or talking, that sucks. Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good Christmas, and a buddy ball.